My name is Karwana D, and I help small business entrepreneurs create generational wealth with government contracts. So the title of my book is called Don't Duck the Government, They've Got Your Money. And it's all about how you can make millions pitching and winning government contracts. So inside this book, I reveal some of the secrets and insights about how a small business, just a regular person, right, who has a small business, can actually land a #1 premium buyer like the government, who is, in fact, the #1 biggest purchaser of business products and services in the world, and how you can land them as your client. So if you were to hire me to be a speaker, the 3 main things that I will talk about will be #1, how changing your mind can actually change your life. Specifically, when I was actually growing my business, it wasn't until I actually began to grow and change the way that I thought about business and the things that I believed about business to where my business began to take off. And so I am a true believer is if you change your mind about what you believe, you can actually release abundance into your life. So the second thing that I would teach is giving yourself permission to be great. Some people just don't know exactly how amazing they are, because even like for myself, when I was growing up, I was told no so many times that no became like the thing for me, right? It wasn't until I actually gave myself permission to succeed in life, to be great, to become a generational wealth creator and all those things, that things begin to line up and I begin to understand my purpose and have a greater impact in the world. The third thing that I would talk about would be government contracts for women and minority small businesses. Like, this was the game changer for me, and I know it can be the game changer for so many small business entrepreneurs who are really ready to take their business to the next level, but don't know about the premium government, buyer, like the government. In fact, the government spent more than $10 trillion on small business products and services, and most small business entrepreneurs, like women and minorities, don't even know that that money is specifically earmarked for them. So that is definitely something that I would like to share because I know it can be the game changer and create amazing impact for so many entrepreneurs. So you can get in contact with me by visiting karwanadspeaks.com. That's KarwanaDspeaks.com. Live life by design and not by default.